Thank you, Madam Chair. Madam Chair, considering that our hearing agenda now is about provision of muffler modification, Madam Chair, can we ask the LTO about the latest memo from the LTO Central Office with subject reiteration on the prohibition of muffler modification of motor vehicles. LTO sir, can you give us some ideas about this memo? Yung operation po ninyo against motorists na modified yung mufflers. Ito pong memorandum na ito, masyadong broad eh. And yung pong operations ng LTO, especially LTO 7, iba sa lahat ng LTO.
Yes, sir. January 18 po yung memo na yan, issued by our Assistant Secretary Nakatilaw. Reiteration of the Section 34 of the RA 4136. Specific naman, sir, yung RA 4136 as to the cut and disconnected muffler. Then, sa Department Order 2010-32, prohibits the modification of mufflers. Kung sa roadside inspection, sir, as we have also the authority, we will make sure, sir, na beyond or not within the standard manufacturer specifications. We will limit to that, sir. Pero pag, like, as to the sound, kung pasok naman siya sa sound na 99 decibel meter, we will respect that. Subject also to the inspection like yung DMVIC na sinabi ko nga kanina. And kung obvious naman din, sir, na open pipe, alcal, cut, disconnected, or anything that compromises the pipe system itself is will be considered also as modification and a violation.
So to make it clear to every rider, as long as na below 99 decibels, okay sa inyo.
Following the existing guidelines, kasama po yung test ng sound meter.
Yes, so kapag ang muffler is below 99 decibels, okay sa inyo yun.
Yes, sir. Following the guidelines. Tama po.
Klaro yun.
Yes, sir. May memo naman kayo yan, sir.
So ano po yung other than that provision na pwedeng mahuli ninyo yung motorcycle rider?
Yung sa modification.
Yes.
Kasi, sir, no, existing, to be honest, walang define as to that word modification.
Yes.
Diba?
Yes.
Tama, sir?
Yes.
So, we will limit lang kung ano po yung obvious na modify.
Meron po ba kayong clear guidelines about modified accessories, especially the muffler? Kasi ito po ang mainit na usapin eh.
Kung guidelines, sir, we will seek the wisdom of our central office para uniform po yung implementation. No?
So are you agree, sir, na hanggang ngayon wala pa yan yung clear guidelines about modified muffler? Kasi wala po tayong nakita eh.
Kung definition of the modification coming from the national office, wala.
Madam Chair, sa LTO 7 kasi, basta nagpalit ng muffler, huli. At sinasabi nila na kailangan mag-present ng Road Safety Certificate. Gusto namin malaman, ba't ganon? Iba sa LTO dito sa Davao, iba sa LTO 7. Gusto ko lang pong maklarify on behalf of the riding community. Basta below 99 decibels, pasado sa inyo.
Following the guidelines, yes po. Basta pumasa po sa inspection ng PNVIC, pumasa rin sa ni inspector ng LTO na within the bounds of the specifications in muffler, then why not?
So, if more than 99 decibels, ano po ang ginagawa ninyo?
Disagreeable noise po yun. Kasama po sa 4136.
So, ano po ang gagawin ninyo?
Kung hindi matanggal ng driver yung modified muffler on site during apprehension, dadalhin namin yung motor sa impounding area or the office for enforcement. Then from there, doon na lang po tatanggalin ni driver, no, para ma-replace na. Dadalhin niya dapat yung stock pipe niya para pag iuwi niya yung motor niya, hindi po cut muffler yung motor niya. Naka-replace na po yung modified to stock muffler before niya mauwi yung motor.
Sir, are you saying na pag kayang tanggalin yung muffler, ipapatanggal po ninyo?
Pinapatanggal na lang po namin para mauwi niya po yung motor.
Ang alam ko po, once we talk about muffler, ang ayaw ng public, ayaw nating lahat, maingay ang muffler. Pagka po ba tinanggal yung muffler ng motorsiklo, mas tatahimik o mas iingay?
Yun nga sir, before niya tanggalin yung muffler, we asked the driver na bumalik sa site. Kung sa site sir, we were talking about sa site, na bitbit niya yung stock muffler. Para before niya po maiuwi yung motor, bitbit niya na po yung stock tire. Nakakabit na po yung stock tire.
So sir, halimbawa sabi ko, may stock muffler ako. Willing kayo mag-stay sa site? 1 hour, 2 hours? Or ipapatanggal ninyo yung muffler ko? I-confiscate po ninyo yung muffler?
Well, pag kinonfiscate yung muffler tapos wala siyang replacement, idadalhin talaga namin yung motorcycle sa impounding area. Kasi magiging cut muffler na siya sir, disconnected.
So gagawin po natin, hindi nyo pwedeng ipatanggal ang muffler sa site.
Sir, this is also sir para convenient din sa driver. Pag kaya niya ma-produce or madala niya yung stock pipe niya, doon na mismo, papalitan niya na to stock pipe. So, ipo-confiscate na lang po namin yung modified na muffler.
So willing kayo sir maghintay 1 hour, 2 hours?
Ginagawa po namin yan sir. I think witness yung mga taga-Davao na sir.
Ang galing nyo sir, kung ginagawa nyo talaga yan. Thank you sir.
Thank you very much for this very productive public hearing this afternoon. Before we end, I would just like to reiterate that once again, this ordinance shows that the city government of Davao, through our mayor, listens to the people of Davao. And this ordinance, once it passes, will hopefully help not only the riders but also the public. Isa naman dyan atong tumong ani. Dili saba, dili makapermisyo, pero compliant na tanan. Okay ba? Okay. So to formalize this, I will need a vote. All those in favor of passing this item now to the second reading, please raise your hand. Wala appeal ang government agencies. Okay, I think we have a majority, so this item will now be passed to the City Council for second reading.
Gusto ko lang sana i-clarify, regarding po doon sa katanungan pa rin, bakit hindi ginagamitan ng decibel ang apprehension for unauthorized verification? The simple answer is this. There is no basis in law for us to use decibel measurement upon apprehension for an authorized modification. Wala sa batas yan, wala sa procedure yan. An authorized modification, the only question that will be answered by a yes or no is this a standard manufacturer specification? If it's yes, then there's no violation. But if it's a no, then that's already a violation. Now, the sound level, wala po yan sa JAO, wala po sa 4136, sir, wala sa 4136 yun, sir, ha? Like I said, tinigil ako sa mga kapagado mo kung nasa 4136 yan.
Huwag po ninyong questionin ang mga riders. Ang questioning po ninyo, DOTR, Central Office. Kasi sila nag-introduce po yan eh. Hindi kami, hindi ako. So siguro po, maganda doon po ninyong questionin at itama po ito.
So, magsasabihin kami ng request for review sa higher authorities. Review of the department order.